The bionic wheel bot is a mind-blowing fusion of robotics and nature, inspired by a real-life marvel, the cartwheeling spider of the Sahara Desert. Developed as part of Festo's bionic learning network, this robot doesn't just walk, it flips, tumbles, and rolls its way across terrain with jaw-dropping agility. Its design mimics the flick-flack spider, discovered in 2008 by Professor Ingo Rechenberg, who studied its unique cartwheeling motion in the harsh sands of Erd Chebi. Equipped with 6 walking legs and 2 folding wheel legs, the bionic wheelbot switches between walking and rolling modes with mechanical precision. When the terrain is smooth, it folds into a wheel shape and propels itself forward with acrobatic ease. But when things get rough, it stabilizes itself and walks like a spider, adapting instantly to changes in the environment. This blend of movement allows it to navigate challenging landscapes just like its desert-dwelling counterpart. Built for research and inspired learning, the robot showcases how biology can revolutionize robotics. Each motion is not just a trick, it's a calculated, energy-efficient survival mechanism brought to life through advanced engineering. The bionic wheel bot isn't just another walking robot. It's a creature of motion, a tribute to nature's clever designs, and a powerful example of how innovation often begins in the wild. This is biomimicry at its most exciting, rolling, flipping, and crawling straight into the future. House. ME isn't just a home. It's a smart, self-sustaining revolution in modern living. This futuristic modular house is built for those who crave freedom without compromising comfort. With its sleek design and high-end tech, it's ready to be dropped into the wild or perched on a mountaintop, completely off-grid. Powered by solar panels and backed by a smart energy management system, House ME generates all the electricity it needs. Its water purification setup pulls clean water from nearly any source, while triple-glazed insulation and climate control ensure year-round comfort in any weather. No hookups, no wires, just independence. Step inside, and it feels like a 5-star suite. Think large panoramic windows, polished surfaces, touchscreen controls, and luxurious finishes. The kitchen is fully equipped with energy-efficient appliances, and the bathroom includes a high-tech composting system, all part of an eco-lifestyle that doesn't feel like a sacrifice. What truly sets House ME apart is its mobility. It can be transported by truck and set up in just a few hours, making it perfect as a weekend retreat, a remote workstation, or even a permanent residence for those chasing a minimalist lifestyle. The Cocoon Tree Tent is a floating escape crafted for the wild-hearted and comfort seekers alike. Suspended in mid-air by strong tension ropes, this spherical tent turns any forest into your private treetop haven. It keeps you off the damp ground, away from bugs and critters, and offers a stunning 360-degree view of nature's beauty. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame and wrapped in weather-resistant canvas, it's designed to handle the elements while blending into the wilderness. The structure is surprisingly roomy, comfortably fitting 2 people inside. Whether nestled between pine trees or hanging above a beach, it offers the feeling of floating in a peaceful bubble. Inside, it's more than just a tent. You can customize it with ambient lighting, soft bedding, and even small furnishings. It becomes a cozy, elevated retreat, perfect for unplugging, meditating, or simply falling asleep to the sounds of the forest. There's something deeply calming about rocking gently in the breeze while feeling totally secure. Figure 01 is not just another robot, it's the next bold step in human-robot collaboration. Unveiled in March 2023 by robotics company Figure, this humanoid machine is being developed to work, think, and adapt just like us, completely on its own. No joysticks, no remote control, just pure, intelligent autonomy powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. The vision behind Figure 01 is simple but revolutionary. Create a robot that can move, learn, and act in real-world environments without human intervention. It will walk, lift, communicate, and even make decisions based on its surroundings, all in real time. This is not a concept for the distant future, it's a mission actively unfolding. Figure 01 is designed to fill labor shortages in sectors where repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding jobs exist. Over time, it could take over tasks in factories, warehouses, or hazardous environments, improving safety and efficiency while giving humans time to focus on higher-level work. What makes Figure 01 stand out is its ability to continuously learn. With every movement and task, it gathers knowledge, becoming smarter and more capable. It's the kind of breakthrough that could eventually redefine the global workforce. Mad Architects' Hollywood Office, The Star. Welcome to The Star, a futuristic masterpiece by Mad Architects that's reshaping the Hollywood skyline with pure architectural boldness. This 22-story marvel doesn't just rise into the air. It floats like a flattened celestial sphere, echoing the curves of LA's most iconic landmarks like the Griffith Observatory and Capitol Records Building. It's not just a building, it's a sculptural statement. Every detail is designed to spark imagination. Two sky gardens perched on the 10th and 17th floors breathe life into the high-rise, offering green spaces for creativity to flourish. And when you think it couldn't get any cooler, a circular funicular railway climbs the side of the structure. Yes, an actual train gliding along the glass like something out of a sci-fi film. It's the kind of feature that turns commutes into experiences. At the top, an enclosed rooftop restaurant and event space crown the structure, offering sweeping views of Los Angeles. It's the kind of place where ideas are born, deals are made, and sunsets are unforgettable. Built not just for business, but for inspiration, The Star is where work meets wonder. This isn't just an office tower, it's the future of urban design. Pix Robobus, a futuristic autonomous shuttle designed for tomorrow's cities. Built by Pix Moving, this smart urban mobility solution isn't just about getting from point A to B, it reimagines public transportation as a dynamic space tailored for modern lifestyles. With modular and customizable interiors, the Robobus can become a mobile office, a cozy cafe, a quiet reading nook, or even a mini gym on wheels. Its boxy, minimalist design glides effortlessly through urban streets, campuses, airports, and industrial parks. Fully electric and driverless, it operates smoothly through busy environments with advanced sensors and AI navigation, ensuring passenger safety while cutting down on emissions. The Robobus brings shared, clean transport to the heart of the city, easing congestion while adding flexibility to how we move and work. Inside, the space adapts to your needs. Whether it's outfitted with comfy seating for a brainstorming session, a coffee bar for midday breaks, or screens for virtual meetings, it's like a room that travels with you. It's mobility merged with modern functionality. The Pix Robobus isn't just a shuttle, it's a smart space that follows you wherever you go. From university campuses to tourist destinations, it's leading the next wave of transportation. A true blend of innovation, comfort, and versatility, the Robobus makes commuting feel less like a chore and more like an experience. Zoom shoes are turning heads and changing the game when it comes to personal mobility. These self-balancing electric skates, featured on Shark Tank, blend futuristic fun with everyday practicality. Lightweight, compact, and insanely cool, Zoom shoes are designed to glide you through city streets, parks, or even your daily commute, all while looking like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. At just $299.99, these portable e-skates are a steal compared to their original $1,500 price tag. Don't let the size fool you. They can carry up to 330 pounds with ease and offer a surprisingly smooth and stable ride. Even better, the learning curve is only about 10 minutes, meaning almost anyone can hop on and cruise in no time. Built-in LED lights not only give these skates a sleek, techy look but also act as a battery indicator. When it's time to charge up, the process is simple, and one full charge gives you up to 1.5 hours of ride time. The Mars City concept by SpaceX is more than a dream. It's a blueprint for humanity's next giant leap. Designed to be a thriving, self-sustaining colony on the red planet, this futuristic city brings together cutting-edge technology, bold architecture, and pure human determination. Every detail is engineered with survival and growth in mind. At the core are SpaceX's starships, acting as interplanetary shuttles to ferry humans, equipment, and supplies between Earth and Mars. These reusable spacecraft are the lifeline of the city, enabling both large-scale transport and emergency support. Once on Mars, habitats powered by solar energy and shielded from radiation become the first homes for settlers. Each module of the city is designed for full autonomy, generating power, recycling water, producing food, and maintaining breathable air. From vertical farms to underground living quarters, the settlement combines innovation with resilience. The use of AI-driven life support systems and robotics allows for smart management of resources in Mars' harsh conditions. Beyond survival, the city supports growth. Schools, labs, and collaborative workspaces are planned to foster education and discovery. Scientists and engineers will study Mars geology and search for signs of ancient life while developing technologies for deep space missions. SpaceX's Mars City is not just a technical marvel, it's a promise. A bold, tangible step toward becoming a multiplanetary species. The stars are no longer out of reach, they're the next address. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Mars. The Airbus Racer isn't just a helicopter, it's a revolution in the sky. This next-generation compound helicopter blends the vertical takeoff of a chopper with the cruising power of a fixed-wing aircraft, pushing aviation into a whole new era. Thanks to its futuristic box-wing design and side-mounted pusher propellers, it slices through the air at speeds over 420 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest rotorcraft ever created. But it's not just about speed, it's about smart speed. The Racer is powered by a hybrid eco-mode system that can shut down one engine during flight to cut fuel use by up to 30%, making it both fuel-efficient and significantly quieter. That's a major leap forward in reducing carbon emissions and noise pollution, two of the biggest concerns in modern aviation. Built for performance and versatility, the Racer is ideal for emergency medical services, rapid response rescue missions, and ultra-fast intercity travel. It offers the maneuverability of a helicopter and the speed of a plane, all packed into one sleek, powerful machine. The Airbus Racer is setting new standards in speed, safety, and sustainability. Whether racing to save lives or connecting cities in record time, it proves that the future of flight is here, and it's faster, cleaner, and smarter than ever before. The Dutch cat houseboat, affectionately known as the catboat, is a floating paradise for felines and cat lovers alike. Home to around 50 rescued cats, this unique sanctuary offers warmth, medical care, and endless cuddles in the heart of the city's waters. Founded in 1968 by the compassionate Henriette van Wielde, what started with a single Dutch sailing barge has now become an iconic houseboat haven. Each cat here is lovingly vaccinated, microchipped, and sterilized, ensuring their safety and well-being while they await a forever home or simply enjoy their peaceful life afloat. The catboat isn't just a shelter, it's a living symbol of Amsterdam's love for animals. Open to the public, it invites visitors to step aboard, connect with the resident cats, and experience the charm of canal life with a furry twist. Some visitors even leave with a new companion, having adopted a cat who chose them back. Inside, the cozy interior is tailored entirely to feline comfort. Sunbeams through the windows, soft bedding, and curious cats lounging or playing paint a scene that's as heartwarming as it is unique. It's more than a shelter. It's a story of compassion that floats, purrs, and welcomes everyone with open paws. Enercon Climbing Crane, officially known as the LCC 140, is changing the game in wind turbine construction. Developed by Lerway, a subsidiary of German wind turbine giant Enercon, this crane doesn't need to be lifted. It climbs the very turbine it's helping to build. Capable of installing wind turbines up to 180 meters high, the LCC 140 boasts a hoisting capacity of 140 tons, all while using far less ground space than traditional cranes. Its compact footprint and modular design allow it to be transported easily and assembled in just one day, making it not just powerful, but incredibly efficient. What sets the LCC 140 apart is its self-climbing mechanism. Once attached to the tower segments, it moves upward as the turbine grows, eliminating the need for massive crawler cranes or extensive infrastructure. That means faster build times, lower costs, and less environmental disruption at the construction site. This crane is a crucial step forward for the global wind energy industry, enabling the deployment of larger, more powerful turbines in challenging locations. It's a prime example of smart engineering meeting sustainability goals head-on. As wind power continues to rise as a key source of clean energy, the Enercon climbing crane is helping make that future possible, efficiently, affordably, and with engineering brilliance. Luba 2 is changing the game in robotic lawn care, delivering a smooth, stress-free mowing experience without the headache of boundary wires. Just place it on your lawn, and it's ready to go. No digging, no setup drama. This smart machine uses advanced GPS and sensor technology to understand your yard's shape, slopes, and obstacles, so it cuts with precision every time. What really makes Luba 2 stand out is its fully autonomous navigation. Whether your lawn is a simple square or a patchwork of flower beds and paths, it adapts effortlessly. The built-in obstacle detection means no more bumped furniture, tangled cords, or crushed garden gnomes. Setup is refreshingly simple. Just map your lawn using the mobile app, and Luba handles the rest. You can schedule mowing times, set zones, and monitor progress from anywhere. It's quiet, efficient, and electric, making it eco-friendly and neighbor-approved. This robot isn't just smart, it's durable too. Designed to tackle all kinds of terrain and weather, Luba 2 handles bumps, slopes, and even wet grass with ease. It's like having a professional gardener who never gets tired or takes a day off. With Luba 2, lawn care becomes effortless, precise, and futuristic. Say goodbye to weekend mowing chores and hello to a beautifully trimmed yard, all handled by a robot that's as sleek as it is smart. The Earthling Stealth E40 is a stunning leap forward in sustainable yachting, a power catamaran that trades noisy engines and heavy fuel use for sleek, silent, solar-powered cruising. It's built for those who love the sea and care deeply about protecting it. With its aerodynamic hull crafted from ultralight composite materials, this vessel slices through the water with minimal drag and maximum grace. Instead of sails, the E40 is powered by an advanced electric propulsion system fed by solar panels, wind turbines, and backup generators. At the heart of the system is Ethos, an intelligent energy management platform that keeps everything running smoothly and efficiently, whether you're docked or exploring far from shore. This is modern marine engineering with a conscience. Inside, the E40 is every bit as luxurious as it is innovative. It features 4 elegant cabins, 2 stylish bathrooms, a sleek galley, and a spacious saloon designed for both comfort and flow. Step outside and you're greeted by an expansive cockpit, a panoramic flybridge, and a swim platform perfect for sunset dips. This is a production yacht, meaning it's ready to go with reliable global support, but it still feels unique thanks to its blend of high-end comfort and eco-smart technology. With a base price around $1 million, the Earthling Stealth E40 proves that sustainable living doesn't mean sacrificing luxury, it means redefining it. E-Starling, a sleek, next-gen vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by Arc Aerosystems, designed to make city-to-city travel faster, greener, and dramatically more exciting. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of personal and business aviation unfolding right now. The E-Starling is powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system, using electric motors for both vertical lift and forward flight, with the option to switch to biofuel for extended range. This makes it not only efficient and low emission but also adaptable to longer routes beyond the urban grid. With room for 2 pilots and 5 passengers, it's engineered for both comfort and versatility. It cruises at an impressive 250 knots and can cover up to 1,000 kilometers on a single journey, all without needing a runway. Vertical takeoff and landing capabilities mean it can operate from rooftops, helipads, or remote locations with ease. The design is sleek, the technology is cutting edge, and the goal is clear: to make point-to-point travel simpler, faster, and more sustainable. Whether you're flying between major cities or heading to an off-grid destination, the E-Starling promises to change how we think about daily air travel. With commercial sales expected to begin soon, Arc Aerosystems is positioning the E-Starling as a premium, high-performance aircraft that will reshape regional mobility and personal aviation. MELTS is a groundbreaking rehabilitation device that merges biosignal processing with advanced biomimetic robotics to bring hope and mobility back to stroke survivors. Designed specifically to support upper limb therapy, MELTS focuses on hand and finger paralysis, helping patients regain control through precise, movement-assisted rehabilitation. The device reads the body's natural bioelectrical signals, myoelectricity, generated by muscle intent. These signals are picked up in real time and interpreted by smart algorithms, which then drive a robotic exoskeleton that fits comfortably on the back of the hand. This robotic system responds instantly, moving the fingers exactly as the brain intends them to move, even if the muscles can't yet follow through alone. Whether someone is relearning how to grasp, pinch, or stretch, Melts provides the perfect amount of support to encourage muscle memory, stimulate recovery, and build strength. It's not just about mechanical motion. It's a deeply human-centered approach that respects the brain-body connection and turns intent into action. Melts can be used in clinical settings or adapted for home therapy, empowering users to take charge of their recovery journey. From improving flexibility to restoring essential hand function, it transforms rehabilitation into something more natural, responsive, and effective. For those facing the frustrating aftermath of a stroke or injury, Melts isn't just a device. It's a partner in healing, offering a smarter, gentler path back to independence and strength. The Jaguar Vector electric boat isn't just a racing machine, it's a statement of what the future on water looks like. Born from a powerful collaboration between Jaguar and Vector Racing, this sleek vessel shattered expectations in the world speed record back in 2018, hitting a jaw-dropping 88.61 miles per hour, or 142.6 kilometers per hour. That kind of power doesn't come from fuel, it's all electric. At its core, the boat draws strength from advanced battery technology lifted directly from Jaguar's Formula E racing program. This means it doesn't just glide, it launches with precision, power, and silent intensity. Every curve of its aerodynamic hull is engineered for performance, but it's the absence of emissions that makes it truly revolutionary. This is more than a speedboat. It's a beacon of sustainability in the marine world. It's a challenge to the fuel-guzzling machines of the past. The Jaguar Vector proves that high performance and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand, without compromise. With each electric surge through the water, this boat shows us that the race toward a greener future doesn't have to be slow. It can be fast, fierce, and unforgettable. The Jaguar Vector isn't just breaking records, it's rewriting the rulebook for marine engineering, and it's doing it in style. The LYX Yacht Villa is the ultimate floating masterpiece, a 300-meter ultra-modern luxury yacht that blends cutting-edge architecture with elite maritime engineering. It's more than a yacht, it's a full-blown luxury residence gliding across the ocean. With sleek lines and elegant proportions, every corner of this vessel is designed to impress. Step inside, and you're met with open spaces drenched in natural light from floor to ceiling windows. Crisp white walls, contemporary furniture, and ambient lighting create a serene, high-end living experience. The living room offers panoramic ocean views, while the sports area lets you work out in style, surrounded by nothing but sea and sky. The master suite is an experience of its own, featuring a breathtaking underwater glass wall that looks directly into the sea. Soft textures, ambient hues, and endless views make this space feel like a dream. The yacht also includes a private helipad, allowing aircraft to land and take off seamlessly, adding unmatched freedom to luxury living. Crew and service quarters are thoughtfully positioned to ensure smooth operations without disturbing the serenity of the main areas. Every detail has been considered, from the materials used to the flow between spaces, to create a lifestyle that merges opulence, comfort, and futuristic design. The LYX Yacht Villa isn't just a vessel, it's a bold vision of life at sea. It redefines freedom, elevates comfort, and transforms the ocean into your personal front yard. Pulsar Fusion Sunbird, a mind-blowing breakthrough in space propulsion that's about to change how we explore the solar system. Created by UK-based pioneers Pulsar Fusion, this futuristic migratory transfer vehicle isn't science fiction, it's our near future. It's powered by a dual direct fusion drive, using deuterium and helium-free, unlocking speeds of up to 500,000 miles per hour. This isn't just fast, it's game-changing. With this kind of velocity, trips to Mars could shrink from 9 months to just 4, and reaching Pluto could take under 4 years. The Sunbird isn't just about getting there quicker, it's built for deep space sustainability. It can generate up to 2 megawatts of onboard power, enough to support operations like in space manufacturing, asteroid mining, and long-duration science missions. Unlike traditional rockets that burn once and fall away, the Sunbird is designed to be reusable. A true space tug built for multiple missions, cutting down on cost and waste. Its power system doesn't rely on solar panels or massive fuel tanks, it's using fusion, the same force that powers the sun. Max Space Expandable Habitats. Max Space is redefining what it means to live and work in orbit, developing groundbreaking expandable habitats designed for the next era of space exploration. These inflatable living modules launch in an ultra-compact form, about the size of 2 suitcases, and then expand once in orbit to offer a roomy 20 cubic meters of interior space. That's 76 cubic feet of potential living, working, or research environment, all from a package that fits inside a standard rocket fairing. The genius of this design lies in its efficiency. By reducing launch mass and maximizing usable volume, Max Space addresses one of the biggest challenges in modern space travel. Instead of heavy, rigid structures, we get flexible, deployable habitats that are lightweight, safe, and surprisingly spacious once deployed. The mono wheel is not just a machine. It's a living, rolling tribute to human curiosity and fearless invention. With just one massive wheel, this wild ride places the rider inside the ring itself, rotating like a hamster wheel fused with adrenaline. It's a visual spectacle that seems to defy gravity, balance, and common sense all at once. But there's more to it than meets the eye. Relying entirely on the gyroscopic effect, the mono wheel stays upright whether it's powered by pedals, engines, or even a propeller. Its unusual design gives it a charm that's hard to ignore, while making steering and braking a true test of rider skill. Speeds? Oh, it can rocket past 60 miles per hour, making it a hard racing adventure, not for the faint-hearted. With its limited maneuverability, it may not be the most practical commuter, but that's not the point. The mono wheel is about pushing boundaries, embracing the thrill, and turning heads wherever it rolls. It's part motorcycle, part ARG installation, and all-out rebellion against boring transportation. Watching a mono wheel in action is like witnessing a dream from the future stitched into the present. Weird, mesmerizing, and utterly unforgettable. It stands as a reminder that invention isn't always about solving problems. Sometimes it's just about chasing wonder on a single, spinning ring of possibility. The square-wheel tricycle sounds like a wild idea from a cartoon, but it's real, and it actually works. Instead of smooth round tires, it rolls on perfectly square wheels, gliding over a track designed with stunning precision. That track isn't just for show. Its surface follows a pattern of inverted catenaries, specially shaped curves that allow the square wheels to rotate while keeping the seat at a constant height. Each wheel is wrapped with a continuous tread, crafted by slicing rubber tires and linking them with bike chains, making the ride surprisingly smooth despite its odd shape. It's like a pedal-powered tank, quirky, strong, and engineered to move over this custom-built surface with grace. Although not built for bumpy hills or off-road adventures, it's perfect for math lovers and curious minds looking to experience geometry in motion. This clever creation is more than a novelty. It's based on the research of mathematics professor Stan Wagon from Macalester College, and it now stands proudly at the National Museum of Mathematics. The Therminator is a jaw-dropping creation straight out of the sci-fi world, introduced in the 2022 film RoboDog, First Bite. Picture a sleek, robotic K9 cloaked in matte black armor, moving with eerie precision and glowing red eyes that pierce through the darkness. This isn't your average robot dog. It's equipped with a flamethrower mounted on its back, ready to unleash fire at a moment's notice. Built with advanced robotics, the Therminator stands about the size of a large German Shepherd and carries a menacing presence. When it growls, it sends chills down your spine, not just because of the sound, but because you know what it's capable of. In seconds, the flamethrower activates, transforming this mechanical beast into a weapon of pure destruction. Despite its fearsome design, the Therminator is controlled by a human operator and can serve in multiple roles. Whether it's navigating through collapsed buildings in a rescue mission, guarding high security zones, or being deployed in futuristic combat scenarios, this robot dog delivers unmatched versatility and power. Its design blends fiction and possible near-future tech, making it feel both thrilling and slightly terrifying. Priced between $3,400 and $4,400, it's surprisingly within reach for those seeking cutting-edge robotics, fictional or not. Squeaky clean feet is like giving your soles a spa day, every single day. This brilliant foot care tool combines exfoliating panels, massaging mounds, and a soft cleansing scrubber to completely refresh your feet right in the comfort of your own shower. It's gentle, effective, and makes self-care as simple as stepping in. The magic lies in its thoughtful design. As you wash, the built-in pressure points gently massage your feet, helping relieve stress, neuropathy, and even plantar fasciitis. Blood flow improves, tension melts away, and your feet feel lighter, softer, and completely renewed. The exfoliation panels sweep away dry, rough skin with ease, leaving you with silky smooth heels and toes. Its features don't stop there. A soap well keeps things neat, while the added ankle scrubbers make sure every inch gets attention. Locking suction cups hold it firmly in place during use, and the pull ring makes it easy to remove and hang up afterward. VSGO Electronic Air Blower, a sleek and powerful cleaning gadget engineered for delicate electronics like cameras, keyboards, and lenses. Designed with precision and durability in mind, it houses a high-speed brushless motor that spins at an astonishing 100,000 revolutions per minute. That power creates a concentrated wind force of up to 120 kilometers per hour, blasting away even the most stubborn dust particles in seconds. What makes it even more impressive is its 4.2 kilopascal suction strength. You're not just blowing dust around, you're removing it entirely. Its heart lies in a 5-axis CNC precision-carved metal fan blade, designed to maximize airflow while maintaining balance and silence during operation. Its efficiency meets elegance, built to last and perform. The blower runs on a rechargeable 1,200 mAh lithium battery, offering up to 60 minutes of continuous use in standard mode. Whether you're cleaning your DSLR sensor or the inside of your gaming rig, this blower gives you professional-level results without the hassle of disposable air cans or cords. Lightweight, portable, and incredibly effective, the VSGO electronic air blower brings a studio-quality clean to your fingertips. Water trains, once seen as a bold and revolutionary idea, promise to change the way we move fresh water across the planet. Imagine long chains of tanker barges carrying life-saving water from places of abundance to regions battling drought. This concept gains serious attention as a sustainable alternative to address growing global water scarcity. Countries explored transporting fresh water from resource-rich areas like Canada, Alaska, and Northern Europe to water-stressed zones in the Middle East, Africa, and parts of the United States. It was seen as a lifeline, especially in times of environmental crisis and extreme heat waves. But reality hit hard. High operational costs, complex international logistics, geopolitical tensions, and the rise of desalination made water trains less appealing. Governments realized that building pipelines or investing in local water purification was more practical and cost-effective in the long run. The vision of water trains slowly faded into the shadows. It wasn't because the idea lacked merit, it was simply outpaced by other technologies. What could have been a groundbreaking innovation for global water distribution ended up as a forgotten chapter in transportation history. Still, the concept remains a reminder of humanity's creativity in solving urgent problems. Agility Robotics Digit. Meet Digit, a humanoid robot that walks, works, and fits right into human environments. Built by Agility Robotics, Digit is designed to handle real-world tasks like carrying packages, navigating warehouses, and inspecting workspaces. It stands on 2 legs, has 2 fully functional arms, and a smart sensor head that gives it awareness of its surroundings. Need to move it? No problem. Digit folds up neatly and can be transported easily. It even coils itself up for compact storage. It's the future of mobile robotics, built to be useful, adaptable, and reliable in fast-moving settings. Digit isn't just built for one job, it's made for many. From disaster response and logistics to inspection and deliveries, it's ready to assist in ways traditional machines can't. It runs on a powerful 16,000 mAh battery, giving it endurance for long work hours without needing constant recharging. Thanks to its water-resistant body, Digit can handle rough environments without breaking down. This isn't a fragile lab project, it's a tough, field-ready machine made for the real world. Want one? You've got options. Digit is available for purchase at around $250,000, depending on what features and tools you need. Not ready to buy? No worries. Agility offers a $35,000 leasing option through its partner program, so businesses can test it in action. It's not just a robot, it's a mobile teammate designed to move, adapt, and help. Agility Robotics Digit isn't science fiction, it's science in motion, ready to walk beside us into the future. Amazon Astro, your smart little home robot with a big personality and even bigger purpose. This isn't some clunky machine. Astro glides through your home, helping with security, communication, and daily peace of mind. Powered by the latest in AI, computer vision, sensors, and edge computing, it's designed to be your eyes, ears, and helper on wheels. Whether you're home or miles away, Astro patrols, checks in, and connects you to what matters most. It's not just a device, it's a smart, mobile companion built for real life. Astro knows your space like a pro. It can navigate rooms, stop at specific spots, and send live views right to your phone using the Astro app. Get alerts if it detects someone unfamiliar, or have it keep an eye on areas like the front door or the kitchen while you're out. Need to double-check if the stove is off or see if the pantry's stocked? Just send Astro and its periscope camera will get you a clear view. No more second-guessing. You're always in control, wherever you are. It's not all security and tasks. Astro also keeps you connected. Whether it's checking on loved ones or dropping in for a quick video call, it's got your back. It learns your routines, follows voice commands, and even brings a touch of personality with every move. This is more than a gadget. It's Amazon's most thoughtful step into home robotics. The Audi icon is not just a concept, it's a bold leap into the future of luxury travel. This stunning electric vehicle ditches the steering wheel and pedals completely, operating at level 5 autonomy for a true hands-free ride. It's powered by 4 electric motors that combine to produce 348 horsepower and 550 Newton-meters of torque, gliding effortlessly at speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour. Thanks to an 800-volt battery system, the Icon delivers a jaw-dropping range of 700 to 800 kilometers and can charge up to 80% in under 30 minutes, faster than most smartphones. Inside, you're treated to a 2+2 lounge layout, complete with panoramic glass, immersive digital controls, and first-class comfort that feels more spaceship than car. Though it's not available for purchase, the Icon is Audi's crystal-clear vision of sustainable, autonomous luxury, blending cutting-edge technology with elegance like never before. Arcimoto MUV. Meanwhile, the Arcimoto MUV proves that practicality can be powerful. This electric 3-wheeled workhorse is built for the real world, cities, campuses, factories, and beyond. Weighing just 816 kilograms with a payload capacity of 226 kilograms, it's both agile and capable, reaching speeds of 121 kilometers per hour in up to 164 kilometers of range on a single charge. Barbagallo X01, a futuristic fusion of electric vehicle and bicycle that's turning heads across Europe. Designed by visionary Italian architect Giorgio R.G. Barbagallo, this dream bike offers the perfect blend of performance, sustainability, and style. With its carbon fiber-wrapped wooden monocoque frame, it's not just a ride, it's a statement on wheels. Its polycarbonate shell opens and closes like a capsule, shielding you from weather without losing that open-air cycling joy. On top, a roof-mounted solar panel silently powers the onboard battery while you ride. The brushless electric motor assists your pedaling, letting you cruise up to 25 kilometers per hour with a range of 70 kilometers, all without a drop of fuel. From full LED lighting to hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear suspension, and even a compact cargo space, every detail of the X01 screams innovation and elegance. It's built for modern urban commuters, green mobility lovers, and anyone who wants the freedom of a bike with the comfort of a small EV. Sleek, efficient, and surprisingly powerful, the Barbagallo X01 redefines personal transport. Whether you're weaving through city streets or coasting under the sun, this hybrid marvel lets you do it with 0 emissions and 100% style. It's not just a ride, it's the future of mobility, designed for a smarter, cleaner, more beautiful world. The Capstone mission is a groundbreaking lunar orbiter designed to test orbital stability for NASA's Lunar Gateway space station. This small yet powerful 12-unit CubeSat is a crucial stepping stone for future lunar exploration. One of its key innovations is a navigation system that determines its position using NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO. This allows Capstone to navigate independently without relying on Earth-based ground stations. Launched on June 28, 2022, the spacecraft entered lunar orbit on November 14, 2022, marking a huge milestone in space technology. Its mission? to validate the near rectilinear halo orbit, NRHO, the same path planned for the Lunar Gateway. On May 18, 2023, Capstone successfully completed its primary 6-month mission, proving that NRHO is stable and reliable. However, instead of shutting down, it continues to gather crucial data during its extended mission phase. This mission is a game-changer for future crewed lunar missions, setting the foundation for sustainable space travel. With autonomous navigation and orbital testing, Capstone is paving the way for humanity's return to the Moon. Colony ambitions. A new space race is heating up, and this time, it's not about who gets there first, but who stays. NASA, SpaceX, and China are all locked in a high-stakes mission to build the first permanent moon base. NASA's Artemis program is blazing the trail, aiming to return astronauts to the lunar surface by the end of the decade. They're not going alone. SpaceX's Starship will deliver cargo and crew, acting as the workhorse of future moon missions. Meanwhile, China is accelerating fast, teaming up with Russia to develop a lunar research station by the 2030s. This isn't just about exploration, it's about creating a lasting human presence beyond Earth. We're talking habitats, lunar mining, solar power stations, and scientific labs carved into the dusty surface of the Moon. The goal? To create a launchpad for Mars missions, harvest valuable resources, and unlock the secrets of deep space. With rival nations and private companies all racing toward the same dusty destination, the Moon is no longer a dream, it's the next frontier. And with every rocket launch, we're stepping closer to a future where humans live, work, and thrive on another world. So buckle up, because the 2020s aren't just a new chapter for space travel. They're the start of humanity's second home, written in moon dust and ambition. Ecto-life. Imagine a world where infertility is no longer a barrier and parenthood is possible for everyone. Welcome to Ecto-life, the world's first artificial womb facility, designed to revolutionize human reproduction. This state-of-the-art facility houses 75 advanced labs, each capable of nurturing up to 400 artificial wombs. These biotech marvels mimic a natural uterus, ensuring optimal conditions for fetal growth. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors, Ecto-life monitors vital signs and detects genetic abnormalities in real time. Parents can track their baby's progress through an intuitive mobile app, creating a unique bond before birth. Powered entirely by renewable energy, this facility can incubate up to 30,000 lab-grown babies per year. It offers a groundbreaking solution for declining populations and brings hope to infertile couples worldwide. Ecto-life isn't just science fiction, it's the future of human life. A bold leap into a new era of childbirth, where technology and nature unite to redefine family planning. The EDAG City Bot isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision for smarter, cleaner, and more efficient cities. Imagine a machine that doesn't just transport people but also cleans streets, maintains parks, and delivers goods, all while communicating with other robots in the city's smart network. This is the future of urban living, and it's here today. What makes the City Bot so revolutionary is its adaptability. Its modular design allows it to switch roles effortlessly, tackling everything from public transport to city maintenance with ease. Whether you're commuting to work, receiving a package, or enjoying a clean park, the City Bot is working behind the scenes to make it happen. But it's not just about functionality, it's about sustainability. The City Bot is designed to reduce traffic, cut emissions, and make cities more livable. And with digital micro-payment systems, it's not just a transportation solution, it's a new way of doing business. So, if you're ready to embrace the future of urban mobility, the EDAG City Bot is here to lead the way. It's not just a robot, it's a smarter, greener, and more connected way of life.